got one bloody brake light and then one side light.
That's right, we do. If he stops and we don't see it, that's not our fault. It's his.
No indicators either.
No. I don't like people like that. I like to be in front of them or get them behind me.
He deliberately done that?
Yeah. And that road got fucking sound.
I'll find that.
Should let it get out of the way. My eyes are all stars now, I can feel when I look out at the light. They're all sparkly. I'm in a hurry.